A very powerful recipe to take care of your hair. With just 2 ingredients, your hair will stop falling out and be in renewed health, as well as contributing to hair growth. If you want healthy, full of life hair, watch this video until the end. Before I tell you this secret, comment here below on the city from where you are following this video. It is very important for us to know how far our videos are reaching. The 2 ingredients we will need are our daily shampoo and rosemary leaves. Rosemary is one of the oldest medicinal herbs known, but what many people don't know is that this plant, besides being a gastronomical darling, is also very powerful when it comes to hair care. Rosemary has astringent, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and stimulating properties. Thus, when rosemary is used in shampoo, it can provide the hair with very interesting benefits, such as strengthening of the strands, since it is an excellent source of vitamin C. Healthier hair, since rosemary in the shampoo stimulates collagen production. It helps hair growth, for it is rich in nutrients such as magnesium and iron. Helps in the prevention of hair loss, since it improves scalp blood circulation. Reduces oiliness, without making the hair dull and lifeless. There are several ways to use rosemary in shampoo. The one I'm going to teach you is great and can help your hair to become stronger, to grow faster, to become less oily, and less brittle as well. And do you know what's best? The results don't take long to show up. To prepare it is very simple. Add, more or less, a tablespoon of rosemary leaves into your shampoo. And just mix everything very well. You can already use it after preparation. Now just use this shampoo alternated with what you normally use on a daily basis. It is common for people to think that natural products cannot offer quick effects on the hair. The rosemary in the shampoo really works, and due to its vasodilating, stimulating, and astringent action, it is quick to notice that the scalp is cleaner. Therefore, in the very first month of using rosemary in the shampoo you will already be able to notice a greater cleanliness in your scalp, which, little by little, will help with other benefits, such as prevention of hair loss, stimulation of growth, and strengthening of the hair, among others. Did you like this little recipe? It is hard to believe that something so simple can help you in an extreme way, isn't it? Well, you can believe it. Make it at home and come back here to tell me about your experience. I will be very pleased to hear about it. It is a pleasure to always bring videos that can be useful for you. I hope I have helped you. Today's message is from Proverbs chapter 24, verse 6. He who goes out to war needs guidance, and with many counselors victory is obtained. Facing the daily challenges of life can often feel like you are in the middle of a battle. This is especially true when difficulties and hardships seem to attack us. However, we can always present our requests to the Lord, as He promises to comfort and sustain us. This verse reminds us that victory can be achieved by seeking the wisdom of others who have experienced similar challenges, and how they can provide valuable advice. It is often a good idea to get a second opinion on important decisions we are facing. Thank you for your constant companionship. May God bless you and your family. Until the next video. Bye.